What's going on? It's your boy J Nation 1 back with another video, man. We up here at D-Town Customs. Just got the Firebird finished. It's looking real good, man. Looking like looking brand new. I think he love it. Fresh paint. It's a little dusty. Bad boy, nice. Top looking good. Interior looking plush. Yes. This is nice. This is nice. Came a long way. I seen it when it first got dropped off, man. And they needed a lot of work. But as far as on the paint job, had nice some dings. And now it's beautiful, man. Real talk. Nice and quiet too. Nice and quiet.
You gotta be hitting them 80 by at least 40, 50, 60. Yeah, I ordered them. Do you get those? If you get those, you might want to get the wheel wells. It might make it flow a little bit better. Cause right now you ain't got no chrome in between besides your bumper. Hang on, that was
326.
I would if I was to do that. Yeah, we're gonna do it. I'll do all of it. I'll put it on there for you. I didn't think about it until we were just doing the math. Like, oh yeah, we fit the chrome.
Alright, man, so he just said this original motor inside this bad boy, man. 48,000 miles on it. That's crazy. What year is this? A 67. First year.
I've looked up the documentation on it. It's one of 618 out of 80,000 they made that year with that motor and transmission combo.
It's worth the money.
He got a nice one on his hand. No, he ain't gonna sell it.
We're gonna whip it for a while. Alright, so I'm not gonna do no burnouts. I didn't want to. I ain't never done one all original, you know what I mean?
It's your boy J Nation 1, and I'm out.